Tim at Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. I'm going to show you a little bit more of this 2008 SUV with delivery mileage. It's the Allure 1.2 turbo, 130 horsepower, 6-speed, finished in Nimbus Grey. Opportunity to get a very low mileage car with just 6 miles. I hope you enjoy. There you have it, a nice low mileage, delivery mileage 2008. If you think this is the right opportunity for you, simply call us 01305 266 066. We can book your test drive and certainly provide further information. Thank you for watching.